So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series 16th video, figure tag in HTML and figure caption in HTML. What is figure tag, sir? Figure, image. I got a lot of images. If I want to group it somewhere, I want to specify that the images are there in this place. So we can group it via a semantic concept called a figure tag. What is a semantic, sir? After HTML5, in HTML5, they introduced the concept of semantic, grouping the relativeness. Sir, I got the address, sir. For example, street name, house number, street address, and you got the city name, you got the state name, you got the India, like a country code, a pin code. Hey, come on, man. How you can specify? Take all the data, put it in the common tag called address tag. Address/address, put everything there, man. No need to specify separate tags. So grouping the data, grouping the content on some basis, that is called as a meaningfulness, that is called as semantic. So for semantic concept, they introduce a concept of this figure and all, it comes under the semantic concept. Figure tag is used to group the images. To name those figures, you'll have the figure caption. Okay, let's move on to my website to see how it works. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. Over here you got the figure tag here and you got the caption here. So figure tag in the sense, so figure tag, obviously it should be in the body tag because it's a content. Okay, so images and everything is content. So I got the body tag here. You got the body tag, figure. Under that you got the image. So you are able to see the image here. Once a figure is here, you are able to see the image here. So this is how your figure tag works. So figure, under that you got the image tag here. Okay, so this is the image and which browser is supporting, everything is specified here. And over here you got the fig caption. You got the figure and you got the fig caption. Fig caption is there to specify the caption for the image. That is how your figure tag works in HTML. And you got a lot of options to watch it, which browser supporting, everything is there in my website. Go and watch it.